Hello, I'm Lars, Senior Engineer with Upsite Technologies. KoldLok products are known as the best sealing grommets in the industry. Many Fortune 50 data centers have asked for KoldLok products to maximize the efficiency in their computer rooms. KoldLok grommets are prerequisites for any computer room cooling configuration. Legacy layout, cold aisle, hot aisle configuration, and then more advanced best practices such as cold aisle containment or hot aisle containment. KoldLok grommets are prerequisites for any of those configurations. I'll now talk to you about the features of the KoldLok Wave and the engineering that's gone into this product. First, it's constructed with an ABS frame and a thermoplastic elastomer. It's split so that it can be installed around existing cabling. Now looking at a cross-section of the elastomer, you can see the wave form. This creates a lot of extra surface area. One of the benefits of this is that when penetrants are pulled off of the center, which invariably happens as cables run through a cable opening, the elastomer wraps back around and seals the opening. The KoldLok Wave Grommet contains no loose or partially fastened parts, which can become separated or fall through the raised floor. The KoldLok Wave Grommets satisfy NFPA 75, Section 5-4.4 requirement for self-dressing of raw metal edges. When cutting a hole in a raised floor tile, the raw metal edges are required by code to be dressed so that they don't cause chafing of cables. The grommet installed in a hole automatically dresses those holes. KoldLok products are compliant with Directive 2002/95/EC of the European Parliament and the Council on the Restriction of the Use of Certain Hazardous Substances in Electrical and Electric Equipment, ROHS. Tapered joining structure of the male and female halves of the KoldLok Wave Grommet allow for a very secure fit when the two sides are put together. And now with the KoldLok Wave up and out of the hole, I can clearly demonstrate how the depth of the product dresses the full cut of the tile. Both the top edge and the lower edge need to be dressed to meet this requirement. The way that the elastomer wraps around cable penetrations creates a very effective seal, as will be demonstrated in the sealing effectiveness test data I'll show you soon. The ultimate performance metric of a raised floor grommet is its ability to sustain differential air pressure with minimal leakage. At Upsite, we test all of our products to benchmark leakage performance and use extensive leakage testing in the development of all of our products. Since our grommets and those of our competitors come in a variety of sizes and shapes, it's important to normalize the leakage results for area. In other words, comparing the leakage of a small round grommet to a large rectangular grommet would be of little use without adjusting for the usable surface area. A large grommet might have a higher leakage volume, yet have a lower leakage rate per unit of area. For this reason, our leakage results are represented in units of standard cubic feet per minute per 100 square inches of usable area. Following is a sample of some recent test data showing the relative performance of some popular grommets. This data was taken at a static pressure of 0.05 inches of water column. Measuring low airflow rates at low pressures is not easy. We developed a specially engineered leakage testing device which uses a device called a Thomas meter. A Thomas meter works by placing a heating element in the airstream to be measured. A temperature sensor is located downstream of the element. With a known specific heat capacity of the air, the observed temperature rise can be correlated with a flow rate. The Thomas meter used in our testing measures 1 to 80 CFM at a 5% of reading accuracy. And here are the results for the sealing effectiveness of the KoldLok Wave. The way that the thermoplastic elastomer is overmolded to the ABS frame creates a very large usable area. The usable area of a KoldLok Wave is anywhere from 35 to 169% more than other grommets in the market. As with all of our products, there is no policing required, no maintenance required to ensure that the grommets continue to seal the opening when they were installed. Install the KoldLok grommet in a cable opening, and whenever cabling is run through the opening, the grommet automatically seals around any cable opening. The KoldLok Wave has a split design. This allows for installation around existing cabling. If there's no cabling present, just simply cut a hole, rectangular hole of the appropriate size, place the KoldLok Wave in the hole, and secure it with the 4 self-tapping screws provided. The KoldLok Wave is designed for longevity. The durable ABS frame and flexible sealing surface are engineered to withstand long-term use. The thermoplastic elastomer is flame-rated UL 94HB. US and international patent-pending design using the thermoplastic elastomer creates a more effective seal than any other grommet. KoldLok Waves are packaged in 10-unit cartons. The KoldLok Wave is designed to fit a hole that's 9 1/4 by 6 3/4 inches. These dimensions are the same as the current integral or 1010 product footprint that we currently have.